Hello, everyone. Today, I have a beautiful and simple story for you. It is about a kind boy and a lost dog. This story will help you learn English in an easy and fun way. So relax and enjoy the story. The Boy and the Lost Dog. Ali is a young boy. He lives in a small house with his mother. He is kind and loves animals very much. Every morning, Ali walks to school. One day, on his way to school, he sees a small dog. The dog is dirty and looks very tired. Ali stops and looks at the dog. "Hello, little dog," Ali says. The dog moves its tail slowly. Ali feels sad. He thinks, "This dog has no home." He looks around, but no one is there. He takes some bread from his bag and gives it to the dog. The dog eats quickly. It is very hungry. Ali smiles and says, "I will call you Max." Max follows Ali to school. Ali is a little worried. At school, the teacher says, "Ali, you cannot bring a dog here." Ali feels sad again. After school, Ali takes Max home. His mother opens the door. "Oh, Ali, where did you find this dog?" she asks. "I found him in the street. He is alone," Ali says. His mother looks at the dog. Max looks at her with big eyes. "Can we keep him?" Ali asks. His mother thinks for a moment. Then she smiles and says, "Okay, but we must take care of him." Ali is very happy. He cleans Max and gives him water. Days pass. Max becomes strong and healthy. He plays with Ali every day. One afternoon, a man comes to their house. He looks worried. "Have you seen my dog?" the man asks. Ali looks at Max. Max runs to the man and barks happily. "This is my dog. His name is Rocky," the man says. Ali feels sad. He says, "Oh, he is your dog." The man smiles and says, "Thank you for taking care of him." Ali looks down. He loves Max very much. The man sees this and says, "You are a good boy. Max loves you too." He thinks for a moment and says, "You can visit him any time." Ali smiles again. He is happy because Max has a home. The lesson: be kind to animals. Kindness always brings happiness. Thank you for watching. I hope you liked this story. Did you understand it? If you like simple English stories, don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video. Bye.